What's up, guys? I'm back, and as you can see, you hear a little rumbling. Well, I'm on a dirt bike right now, and I told you I would be back with some fun, like with my cousins, and guess what I'm doing? So that's it. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film because it's kind of hard because it's really bumpy, but well, I'm gonna be trying my best. So, whoa, this is so hard with my phone in my hand. Oh my god. Oh, that's a bad glare. There we go. I really don't know what to do. Just want to say thanks for all the support and the likes and the subscribers and everything. It really means a lot. It really means a lot that y'all are actually liking what I'm putting out. Thank you so much. I'm so happy right now. But feel free anytime you feel this video amusing or hold on. At any time you feel this video, alright, now you can see me. Anytime you feel this video amusing or you like it, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. That would mean so much to me right now after I just ran through a big bag of thorns. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to go right over there and get my grandpa because my little cousin over there had a little breakdown with his little dirt bike. So I'm gonna ride over there. I'm gonna go get him. Alright, what's up? Oh, I don't want to drop my phone. I'm about to go into second gear and woo! Second gear seems like a whole new motorcycle. So different. I'm just gonna be having a lot of fun right now with the motorcycles and the fun in general. So I'm gonna go get my grandpa. Papa, Owen's shut off. Owen's motorcycle shut off. Sir? No, sir, it wouldn't crank up. Alright, so now that my grandpa is aware that my little cousin's motorcycle broke down, I'm going to go right back over there. I'm going to do like 1 or 2 laps and then I'm going to be done because I needed to start rendering, uploading before, before it gets dark and everything. Anyways, alright, let's go. It's hard doing this one-handed, so if I fall, I'm sure to call the ambulance. And it's like all bumpy, so it's like 20 times harder. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go around this big loop twice, because it's a big circle that we've trailed out over the years. Oh my god. This is so hard. I don't know what to do. Oh, it smells a lot like a bunch of water. this video is going to go up. Today, I'm very proud of myself. I'm very thankful for everybody that's been like supporting me. My friends, I've been telling all of them, they're like, do something else besides just stand there and tell a story. So I was like, okay. And we were thinking about doing this anyway, so I was like, why not make it into a YouTube video? So here I am doing a YouTube video, and I hope everybody is having a good day. And thanks for watching this video. Comment, like, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later.